matter, Tyler? You want to go in already? Molly, tell him. Let's go. Let's go do something. Oh, you want to go in too? Come on. There's more to do out here than, well, that. Come on, let's go. Come on. Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Oh, you guys want to go back in too? Tyler, what are you going to do? Ty, what are you going to do, honey? You want to go back in? Are you guys done already? Are you? Molly, tell him. Oh, you want to go in too? Oh, you think there's biscuits in there. Is that what you're thinking, Tyler? Why you give me that evil eye? Why you give me that evil eye, huh? Why you give me that evil eye? Oh, Molly, you want to go in too, honey? It's nice out there. Wait, we'll take a little drink. Let's have a drink first. All right, you done? Ready? Ready to go in? Tyler, did you say yes? Huh? Did you say yes, Tyler? Oh, okay. You ready? All right, ready? 1, 2. Go get them. Go get those little dogs. You passed your apartment. You passed your apartment. Your apartment's over here. Come on. Oh, you have to have a biscuit to get in your apartment. Tyler, Molly, biscuit? You want a biscuit? No? All right. You're not as easy as Spikey and Grace. Tyler and Molly.